So recently, we've seen XRP's trading volume increase by 124%. We're going to take a look at that, talk about why this is, and we've seen this kind of ramp up in 2023. Of course, Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP, still in a heated battle with the SEC to basically come up with the answer. Is it a security or is it not a security? XRP was the huge winner in the previous bull run back in 2017, 2018. And since then, it has had kind of a black eye given what's come down from the SEC that basically labels XRP as security. Now, here's the thing. Most companies would have already bowed out and lost, but Ripple has really fought hard to showcase to the SEC why they're not a security. And so far, a lot of people believe Ripple Labs is winning. And the longer this goes on, the better chances they have at coming out victorious, because most of the time what happens is the SEC goes after these companies. The companies don't have the money to put up to fight the good fight and eventually just, decide to back down. But so far with Ripple Labs, still a $20 billion market cap. That helps. They have not backed down and they're ranked number 6. Let's talk about that trading volume though, because that is directly correlated with a lot of whale activity. And first we'll take a look at CoinMarketCap. You can see right here, let me zoom in, see that a little bit better. Right here, look at that trading volume number. Just in the last 24 hours, guys, XRP, $1.1 billion worth of volume in the last 24 hours, just with XRP trading. That's up 124%. Market cap back up over 20 billion. You could see that. Now, why? Why is the trading volume skyrocketing? And also, there's a rare chart pattern emerging as well that could be pretty bullish. So a crypto enthusiast who goes by the name of Mr. Huber on Twitter has posted a screenshot of weekly chart depicting XRP's price being graphed against total cryptos. So he says, new record. Today, XRP closes the 12th red candle in a row against all of crypto. This has never happened since March 15th. He noted that XRP has been in a steady downtrend against total cryptos as it closes its 12th red candle in a row, which is last seen in March 2015 again. The chart also indicated a triangle pattern which involves the price moving into a tighter and tighter range as time goes by and provides a visual display of a battle between bulls and bears until one side concedes and a breakout ensues. Essentially, whoever wins here between the bulls and bears, it's going to directly correlate with a big breakout. And remember this, a breakout can go up or down. Sometimes we think of just a breakout as up, but it could go up or down depending on which one wins here, the bulls or bears. Now, compared to other cryptos that have generated significant gains since the start of the year, which many top cryptos have, XRP has not. They've underperformed the top 10 cryptos in terms of year-to-date gains. They've been pretty steady, but they have not made significant gains like some of these other top altcoins going up 70 to 100% just in 2023. At the time of publication, though, XRP is marginally down in the last 24 hours at around 39 cents. We feel like we've been kind of stuck here for a while. But again, it's that tug and pull, that fight between the bears and bulls right now that's keeping us kind of at bay. That trading volume, though, it's interesting. It's up. The token is down 5% in the last 30 days, but it is up slightly here, about 7% in the last week or so. Now, according to Mr. Huber, the timing of XRP's underperformance seems to be interesting ahead of the much anticipated resolution of the Ripple lawsuit. At least that's what we all are hoping for. He wrote, yes, I find the timing exciting. I mean, it was looked worst fundamentally, and now just before the resolution, it's looking better. As reported by You Today, James Filan, a U.S. defense lawyer who usually posts updates on the Ripple SEC lawsuit, predicted that a ruling judge might make a big written ruling on or before March 31st. So they're targeting that March 31st date here. In a broader time frame, Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, believes that a resolution could come in the first half of 2023. As the days go by, XRP holders continue to remain optimistic about a favorable ruling for Ripple. There are a lot of risks here associated with investing in XRP, and that's why, personally, I have put a little bit in XRP, but I'm not going all in because there's so many good assets out there, so many good opportunities, and there's just a lot of unknowns here, right, with how this case is going to go. Now, Mr. Huber expects a big win for Ripple. He says, for me personally, there's no way that XRP will win, will be considered a security. Maybe early sales, yes. Maybe a fine from some of the early on activity, but it's going to be a huge overall win for Ripple, and he believes a huge overall win for crypto. And it does have ripple effects, pun intended there, on the entire crypto market, right? Yes, it's going to impact Ripple, the company, XRP, the asset, but this is going to set a precedent for the future of regulation in the United States, because there are a lot of ICOs, initial coin offerings like this, very similar to this, where if Mr. Huber's right, maybe some of their early sales can be deemed a security, and that's fine, and maybe they'll just be fined and we'll move on. But whatever happens here, we need to pay attention to it. So regardless, if you're invested in XRP or just a crypto enthusiast, you should care what happens in this case, because it's going to help inform what happens to some other cryptos that you may hold in your portfolio. And I've said this and I'll say this again. I don't think the United States is going to come and rule with an iron fist, as much as it seems that way with Gary Gensler and the SEC. I don't think they're going to undermine just how important the future of blockchain technology is, and they don't want to stunt innovation. I think they're going to, securely go about this and make it a better space. I truly believe that, and that's going to bring in a ton of new investors. There's tons and tons and tons of people on the sidelines right now, very, very high profile companies and industries and just individuals that once there's some regulatory clarity in the cryptocurrency markets, they want to allocate a certain percentage of their overall investment portfolio in crypto. They're just not ready to do it yet because they want that regulatory clarity. So keep that in mind. And that goes for companies and retail investors alike. I truly believe that. I've talked to a lot of them personally, some high net worth individuals that just, it's too risky. It's too risky for them. They'd rather just continue to get the 8 to 10% in the stock market. But when there's regulatory clarity, a lot of these folks, I think, will make a small percentage of their portfolio into Bitcoin, maybe a small percentage into Ethereum and some of these other top cryptos. So we'll be keeping tabs on the XRP case for sure. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about XRP, about this lawsuit, about this trading volume spike. What do you think is going to happen here for Ripple? Do you think we're going to hear something in the next couple months, next few months? Let me know down below. Appreciate it. We'll see you.